We, the friends of Elder Kuda Ara Tagwirei, categorically reject the inflammatory remarks made by Ambassador Christopher Mutsvangwa. Nizanapenda mashoko inwa message yonyorerwa kuna Christopher Mutsvangwa nema allies a Dr. Tagwirei panguva ino varikuonekwa kunzi zvakonzeresa a rift zvonyatsoratidza kuti mubato re the ruling party ZANU-PF mane vanhu vane maviews nemagoals akasiyana. Sanapenda mashoko anoda nyogwa panguva ino yonzi this is the ZANU-PF fallout. Don't subscribe or like or turn on the bell icon. Tipita munawo zvizere tobuda pahendo nemafriends aDr. Tagwirei mudanyora chiti his statements do not represent the official position of ZANU-PF, nor do they reflect the will of the Harare province. It is both inappropriate and deeply regrettable that the party platform was misused to advance personal vendettas, undermining the integrity of ZANU-PF's democratic structures. Let it be clear, number one, Dr. Tagwirei's role within the party is not determined by individuals' agendas, but by the collective decision of the Central Committee, as per ZANU-PF's constitution. Number two, the Harare Provincial Coordinating Committee has already demonstrated overwhelming support through its unanimous nomination, signaling unity and clarity in leadership. Dr. Tagwirei's commitment to ZANU-PF spans decades rooted in loyalty since the First Republic. He has served faithfully both in economic empowerment and grassroots transformation, and there is nothing untoward about his continued dedication to the movement. We call on all party members to uphold the spirit of unity and respect internal processes. The future of the party must be built on structure, not sentiment. Domashwa anotagwa nemafriends aDr. Tagwirei panguva ino vachidismisa address yakaitiwa naChristopher Mutsvangwa. Pinai comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Musawana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.